This is my favorite. The ArmBar.
Sick.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna keep adding on to this. All right. So I got my cross collar grip, my helio grip. All right, pulling him down. Maybe this time I go to hand it off and he postures up or he knows what's coming, all right? So now this lapel that I'm holding, I'm going to bring it right up behind his elbow and his tricep. I'm going to choke up on it, right? So it's a nice strong grip behind his elbow and on his arm. I'm going to go to his sleeve, I'm going to hip up, go to his shoulder, go to my arm bar. This is a really awesome grip for big, strong guys because they have a false sense of security that they're going to be able to pull their arm out. This is like a good door stop behind his elbow, right? So right here, if he tries to pull his arm out, it's not going anywhere, right? Come back for your arm bar. All right, going for my helio grip. I'm looking to go over his back if I can so that way I can hit that whole sequence, all right? He postures up and gets away. Choke up on the arm. Once you're here, go to the wrist, right? His only way out is if he gets his wrist free and is able to go underneath, all right? There's still a lot of things we can follow up from there, but I don't want to do more work than I need to, okay? So from here, I'm going to control his wrist. So that way if he's trying to struggle to get his arm out, it's not going to go anywhere. I'm not going to let him get up underneath this arm, right? So from here, pull it across, go to the shoulder, foot of the hip, just like a regular arm bar, then hip up. All right, any questions, guys? 1, 2. We're back in our closed guard, all right? Pull his lapel out, I'm looking to go over his back. I only get it across his arm, all right? He postures up. I want to make sure I make this nice and tight against his arm. It should feel like a tourniquet against his arm squeezing, all right? So I'll be coming here trying to arm drag him, bring him down. A lot of times, if he's trying to defend this arm bar, he's going to actually stay down so that way I don't bring my arm across his head. I'm going to take this lapel, I'm going to reach over his back, I'm going to hand it off, grab the lapel, all right? So now I'm going to put my foot in his hip, I'm going to take him over and come up. A lot of times from here, we can still get a finish right here and get a tap, or we can go to the arm bar again. Cross collar, pulling him down, trying to get over his back. He postures. I catch his arm, bring it across, looking to do an arm bar, but he's staying smart. He's going to stay down so that way I can bring my legs around. We're going to take this arm that's on the shoulder, go over his back, and hand the lapel off. All right, from here I'm going to put my foot in the hip. I'm going to pull my left elbow to the mat, just like our pendulum sweep, and come up. All right, from here you can still look to get chokes, coming back for the Ezekiel, or I like to come back through, get the key lock, go to an arm bar. All right, any questions, guys? All right, 1, 2.
Bringing the heat